wind
Oh, yeah.
was something else.
Howling through here today. It really was. We've had 30-plus mile-per-hour wind gusts for a good chunk of the day.
Oh, I believe it.
And it has been really... But that also has taken those storms from this afternoon and really pushed them to the east very quickly. So it's actually, in some ways, been kind of helpful. Outside tonight, we are still dealing with a few of those thunderstorms. They are attached to a cold front that stretches all the way up through Ohio, through parts of Pennsylvania and Ontario, all the way up to this low-pressure center in northern Ontario. So this front then stretches all the way down to the Gulf Coast and has tapped into some energy there. In the meantime, sunshine off to the west. The clouds get thinner and thinner the farther west you go. Columbus at the moment not dealing with any rain, but Coshocton has a pretty good shower. That is going to race across I-77 in about the next 20 to 35 minutes. 76 degrees right now. That becomes our new high for the day. Wind out of the southwest, 23 miles an hour, gusting higher than that. Dew point right around 55 degrees. Your DR Horton America's Builder current conditions for a lot of central Ohio, low to mid 70s. There are a few places that have dropped into the 60s. Kent is at 67 and McConnellsville at 68. But these numbers are your wind gusts right now. Lancaster, 36 miles per hour. Columbus, almost 40. Marion, 41. So as Mike mentioned, it's been really blasting through here today, and it still is at the moment. The cold front's going to make its way off to the east in the next couple of hours, and as it does, we do some clearing overnight tonight. We will drop into the 50s for a lot of places, a few areas into the 40s, so it's still going to be fairly chilly. Eastern Ohio, the chances for a strong to severe storm are getting less and less and less as we progress into the evening. So it's not out of the question you can have a storm that has gusty winds that are enough to qualify as severe, but those are getting smaller and smaller. Not expecting much at all Tuesday, Wednesday, because we have high pressure about to build into the region. 69 degrees by 8 o'clock tonight, mid-60s by 9 o'clock, and overnight low then tonight drops us down to 49 degrees. As that front moves out, we do some gradual clearing. Here's your daytime tomorrow. We start with sunshine for your Earth Day Tuesday. We'll see a few clouds rolling in the afternoon, but it'll still be a gorgeous day. Might see a few stars during the evening, but more of those clouds are going to roll in here and might obscure your view a little bit. Wednesday looks good. There's still some high pressure in the region in the morning and into midday. But by Wednesday night, we'll see some of those clouds starting to thicken up again. So a couple of nice days headed our way. Tomorrow, by 10 in the morning, we're back into the mid-50s. High temperatures getting into the lower 70s with sunshine for most of the day. This is going to be well above average for this time of the year. And then we're going to stay above average for most of this forecast. Normal is 66. But by Wednesday, we're up to 80 degrees, 82 on Thursday with some rain by Thursday night. Scattered showers and thunderstorms.